Hi there guys, and welcome back to another video. I haven't quite posted as much as I was hoping I was going to post. It is the Easter half term and obviously the kids are off, so getting content is a little bit tricky, but that's going to be for a conversation a little bit later on because I sort of want your help and advice. But we are going to be doing a few bits and bobs to the Doka, so I thought why not pull the camera out. And also this table has turned out pretty well. Still need to sand it and make it work a bit better than it is, but I am very pleased with it. Still need to put some stuff in that, to be honest, but I am really pleased with how that turned out. Just need to sort of sand it and make it a bit better. I'm thinking of extending the two ends, get some wider wood and extend it. Anyway, that's not really the point of this video at all. Yeah, there's going to be a little bit after what we're doing now where I'm going to have a little bit of a chat and ask your advice. So if you want to have a little bit of input, wait to the end of the video. You can have some input, but we're going to get some stuff done on the Doka, and Tom's going to talk you through stuff that he wants to do to it. So hang on. So what Tom has done is he has removed the rear seat. What's this for?
That's the wiring for the light bar and
light
stuff.
bar. But Tom has removed, as you can see, the rear seat, and I think we have actually already sold the lifting block things, so thank you very much. They are now gone. But we are still after some new front seats, so if you guys have any single seats and a single seat base, please let me know. But Tom's got a plan for the rear of this. But before we get into that, Tom's apparently light man, we are going to be removing this passenger seat and getting this gone, so we've got a rough idea of space to work with. And yeah, I'm going to get Tom to tell us what plans he's got for the rear. So let's get this seat removed. Also, we want to get these seat belts all removed, so that's now we're using torches. It's got darker quicker than we thought.
Ejecto Cedo.
Oh, sick, 5p. That's mine.
Pinch those wires.
Who would happily bolt that in there and drive round? I know I would. Anyway, it's actually quite a cool place to sit. Right, so what's the plan with this, Tom? What are we doing with this back area?
Well, one thought I've got at the minute is to have no seats other than a driver's seat, and then make a day bed sort of thing here with drawers on either side, that with the doors fully open, one side would be camping stuff like a stove and all that sort of jazz, and the other side would be storage for clothes or tools or whatever, and then the front would just be basically where passenger seat would be, custom center console, cup holders, table sort of area, another pull-out drawer section for the front. Yeah, and just utilize this cavernous space that is here. That's one of the ideas, like I say. I may just bung a passenger seat in again, but then make a center console, still go for the day bed sort of idea, so I can go on random camping trips. And
but all in all, this back area where the seat was, that's a way better light. That's going to turn into his...
This is most definitely will be a day bed. This will be basically just
like a sofa, kind of like what mine is in mine, like a sofa-esque kind of thing with storage underneath. But if you need to, there's like a sleeping...
There's a way of sleeping. It will have a nice memory foam mattress, and I'll be able to whip out a sleeping bag.
If you got a proper seat, put it there and then have it on a swivel, so obviously the back of the seat will be up here against the dash. Then you can have this part of the seat, the front of the seat, could then match up with the bed sort of area
to give me extra.
So you've got extra, so you've got the L-shaped bit, an extra sort of space, and you haven't got the seat that's kind of like...
And then I've still got accommodation should I need to take a passenger.
Or, yeah, for any reason that you need it, you've got it. But then if you just keep the seat turned with the back of the seat here, you still technically got the bit that you want as well. That's probably my input. Yeah. Well, these are all ideas that we're rambling. I'm going to put the camera down. We're going to tidy this lot up and probably continue talking. And then the next bit you'll see is me having a little bit of a chat with you in a minute. Well, there's that bit done. Got a lot darker a lot quicker than I thought it was going to, actually. But never mind, we got that done. I've been talking to Tom quite a lot about the Doka and what he wants to do to it and how and what and where. And yeah, I think that's actually quite a good idea, putting the whole back as like a bed with pull-out drawers and sort of like a, make it like a, like this, like a sit there and have like a bit of a sofa type thing and then pull the sort of bits and bobs and you got storage all underneath it. I think that's quite a good idea. Now, there is a few things I actually want to talk about. The first being, a few of you guys have actually mentioned having some sort of a meetup. It's probably more going to be like a cars and coffee kind of thing. Is that something any of you guys are interested in? We'll have to try and find somewhere sort of almost middle-ish ground for sort of everyone to go to. Sort of thinking possibly something like Chepstow maybe. I'll have to see what you guys say in the sort of areas that everyone's coming from and maybe sort of pick like a hub in the middle. Go find somewhere either like a McDonald's or a Starbucks and yeah, meet up there maybe one morning, Sunday, Saturday. Maybe even do like a random meet up like a Wednesday morning. Depends on what you guys think. But yeah, let me know what you think. Drop a comment in the comment section down below. Let's get a conversation going and see who would be interested and where you're coming from. And yeah, we'll try and figure someone out. It would be quite nice to actually sort of try and get a few people from the sort of this sort of area, sort of maybe sort of like Bristol and the Wales, and get everybody to sort of meet up and see other people with your other T4s or your Beetles or your Golfs and just have like a little meet up. And if it does well, maybe do it like once every month or something. Could be quite a fun little thing to do. So please let me know down in the comments below what you think. Just realised I got like a little sort of mini fridge cooler down there. I got a load of drinks in there. Awesome. God knows how long that's been in there for. Also, does anyone else do that? Snap off the ring pull? Because every time I drink from it, the ring pull is sort of like pokes me in the nose. That's annoying. So I always snap it completely off. Anyway, the other thing I wanted to talk to you guys about was content. Now, I'm really sort of enjoying filming and editing and doing all that sort of stuff again. And I can see from the views and the likes and stuff that you guys are like enjoying the sort of fly on the wall type videos. Me pulling the camera out, doing a few bits and bobs to this or the Doka and just filming sort of what's happening as it's happening. Not really any sort of structured type video. Do you guys like that? Would you guys be okay with me sort of doing those types of videos? Just pull the camera out and just doing something, take your kids up the mountain and just have like a day out and pull the camera out and sort of film us going off exploring in the van. Would you guys be interested in me going wild camping in this a little bit more often? It's something I want to do, but if you guys aren't interested in it, then I'll just do it and not film it. But if you guys are interested, I'll happily film me just wild camping in this, whether it's sort of on a residential street or at the top of a mountain somewhere. Is that something you guys would like to see? Do you want to see me sort of just pull the camera out as we're doing this, or the Doka, and just unstructured fly on a wall type videos? Please let me know what you think, because I want to make videos that you guys are interested in, as well as videos that I want to make, because there's going to be videos that I make that you guys probably don't want to see, and I'm not going to make everyone happy all the time, but if there's something that the majority of people do or don't want to see, then I would sort of aim myself more that direction. I'm just sort of asking for a bit of your input of like, what do you want to see? Is there anything you do and don't want to see? Yeah, just your input would be brilliant. I was meant to be doing the ball joints on this, but the beginning part of this week, the weather was awful and I had no chance. And the latter part of this week, I've been working, so that's kind of that one out the window. But those ball joints, I mean, they're sat right here. I got got them and the tool all back there ready to do it, so I can get them done. I'm going to stop rambling because I've been rambling away for a while. But yeah, just let me know down in those comments down below what you think. Do you want to have a meetup? If so, where are you and where do you think we should meet up? And content ideas, what do you think? Do you want me to just sort of pull the camera out, go wild camping, random fly on the wall stuff, and the sort of like how-to type videos? I don't like saying how to because I'm not a mechanic, I'm not a guru, I'm just some idiot with a tool that roughly knows what he's doing. But as I've heard from quite a few of you, I have been quite helpful. So if I can carry on slowly fixing my van and helping other people, happy days. But yeah, just let me know. What do you want? How do you want it? Just let me know. Comment section down below. Or as always, my Instagram's down there. Pop over to Instagram and send me a message over there. I'll probably get back to you quicker on Instagram because I'm a lot more active on there. Anyway, I'm going to stop rambling, get this finished, and yeah, finish off my day. But hopefully you guys are well and safe and happy and enjoying your Easter break. Happy Easter, because this is going out on Easter Sunday, so happy Easter to you guys. And yeah, hopefully you guys are enjoying your Easter eggs and your camping and whatever else you guys are doing. But anyway, I'm going to get myself gone. And yeah, thank you very much for watching. Thank you very much for putting up with my dumb ass. And as always, take it easy, guys.